Hey guys, coming to you live. So I figured we had a new eyeshadow palette come out recently. We have the Starlight Glow palette that just came out today from 2 years ago. Hi Mom, hi Bill. And yes, I don't have my makeup on, so pretty right now, right guys? So I figured I'd take a couple minutes and just show you a quick routine you could do with some of these products. I don't really show this side of Arbonne that much, so I thought it would be fun to do that. So I wanted to show you, I start with the makeup primer. I don't know if I can hide these. Hi Mama, thank you. So makeup primer, it helps like smooth any wrinkles, fills it in. It helps the foundation stay longer. So I always put this on first, obviously fresh clean your face, moisturize, and then I do the primer. And then we have liquid foundation, which we have, a ton of different colors. So, if you need suggestions, I'm pretty familiar with the colors. Or we have our mineral powder foundation, and I just opened this one up. So I'm going to use this today after I put on some concealer first. So obviously there's different colors of concealer as well. So you can use this under your eyes. A little goes a long way. So you don't want to, use a ton of it. And a little concealer brush, cover any like dark circles, any blemishes you have. And also, if you didn't know, Arbonne, all of their products are vegan. There's no animal testing. So there's no mineral oil, so it's not going to clog your pores. A lot of the products out there have mineral oil because it's a cheap filler, and it clogs your pores. So you don't want to use that. Any blemishes, just cover those up. I don't know. But I have to say, my skin has definitely changed over the last couple years that I've been using Arbonne's anti-aging skincare. So I do feel more confident in just my skin overall. And obviously, like, healthy eating helps with that too. So anyway, what I did, I took a little bit of the powder, dusted off, put this on, kind of like a filter for your face. It's pretty nice. And, I taught spin this morning, showered, just hadn't put on makeup. And I'm like, you know what? We just had this Starlight Glow palette come back out today. And literally, it's one of my favorite palettes we have had since I've been in Arbonne. And so I figured, why not? Also, make sure you go down here, because it's not very cute when you see somebody and their makeup looks real pretty and it just, doesn't blend in. So make sure you blend your makeup. Okay, so this is the palette. This is the old one. I've been trying not to use it all the time because I didn't think they were going to come back out with it. But they did, so I'm really happy. This is how, mine is very used. But there's 4 different things. There is a highlighter, there's a blush, there's a bronzer, and then contouring. I don't know how good I am at contouring, but the makeup brushes, this is a good one to use. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of contouring here, right here, under your cheeks. It's a little darker on one side. You can also contour on your nose if you want it to appear thinner. But yeah, the products are super nice. I have very sensitive skin, so this has definitely helped me in keeping my skin not from breaking out, and then just keeping it. Also, I feel younger, and the skincare is nice too. Okay, so I just do a little bit. I don't go all out. I literally take maybe 5 minutes a day on my face. So that's not blended in yet, but that is the bronzing or the contouring. Now the bronzer, I love this bronzer. I just blended in with this. I see all those crazy videos out there where people like do all kinds of stuff, but I'm not that cool. So this is what we're gonna do. And it works. I feel like people tell me that my makeup looks good, so I feel like I'm doing something all right. I also take the bronzer and kind of just go along my jawline, which you can use the contouring color if you want a little bit darker and contour there. And then up here, just a little bit on my forehead. So I have a couple of people watching me have fun. Oh, you can't hear. That's okay. As long as you can watch. Yeah, if anybody has questions, let me know. Okay, and also the Arbonne brushes, they're only $40, and the bristles, they don't fall out. I've gone through some makeup brushes, and I've used a lot of different makeup. I can honestly say this is my favorite. And the brushes are soft and just, they're better than any other brushes I've ever used. Okay, now I'm going to do a little blush, which this is like a pale rose color. And it's kind of shimmery, which I really like. This whole palette gives you like a little glow to your skin. Okay, so now I feel like my skin looks a little better. And I'm gonna use the highlighting, which I've had this for 2 years. And that's what I'm saying, like it lasts a long time. You need just a little bit. So this highlighter, you can go down your nose here, which I'm gonna wait and do under here until I do some eye makeup. So my skin is done. Here are the palettes, the new eyeshadow palettes. They're so pretty. I like shimmery stuff. That's one of them. Here's the other one. Okay, so what I'm going to use, I'm going to use the color Opal for a base. Just this little color. I love Opal. And I'm going to do that all over. UPS is here. Again, this is like a shimmery color, so you can see the difference. Little shimmer, just a little base. And use a little bit bigger of a brush here. So there's a thicker brush and then a little bit thinner. So all over brush and then for your crease. Oops. Okay, so that was Opal. Now I'm going to use a darker color just so you can see the difference. So this mahogany is really dark. I don't usually wear dark colors every day, but this will be fun. Okay, so this mahogany color. So I just do it in the crease right here and then kind of make a V. Again, I'm no expert, but I promise it'll look good when I'm done. So in the crease. And obviously if you were like going out, you can always do it a little bit darker in the crease there. That's a pretty color too. Okay. Okay, so That's all I'm going to do for eyeshadow. Okay, we have this. This is, I use the color medium. It's a brow pencil. And it's really nice. It has a little brush on the end. But a lot of people forget to do their brows, and it's just something that I notice. So it is good to fill them in and just make it more defined. I feel like it gives you a more finished look. So this is a little change of paste from what I normally do, and I should have taken a before picture just so you guys could see. I know a lot of you saw my before and after picture of my basement. That was always fun to do. That was fun to do. Definitely time consuming picking out everything, but it's a lot. It was a lot of fun to decorate that, and my parents are staying there right now, and I'm just happy that we're able to do that for them. And yeah, it was a fun project. I actually love decorating and you know, like designing things. So just another little thing about me. Okay, eyeliner. Two or three things left, and then, you know, I'll be done. Okay, so this color is called Carbon. So this is more of like a black color. And as you can see, I finished the eyebrows. I'm telling you, just like anything, the more you do it, the more comfortable you become. Just putting on makeup, or just like anything in life, you become more comfortable with it. So I do bottom and top, just lightly line the bottom. On both eyes. I'm doing it in a little mirror over here. Little mirror. So, yeah, Arbonne came out with the 2 eyeshadow palettes, which is kind of nice because then you have like a bunch of different colors. And then that Starlight Glow palette, which is just so nice because you have blush there, you have bronzer, you have a highlighter, and a contouring color. So 4 in 1. And I know some of you got it from me last time when it was out. Oh, shoot. That's what happens when you're talking. And you really, really liked it. So if you are one of those people, you can comment below and tell people what you thought. Okay, so top, bottom. And I actually don't use liquid eyeliner. I don't know how to do that. So this is what you're getting. And I feel like it turns out good. Okay, last but not least, it's a long story mascara. It actually has vitamins and things in it to help your eyelashes grow. So I love that about our mascara. And this is one of everybody's favorite products from our makeup line. So I brush them up and kind of in, so they like go up. My daughter, oh my gosh, she watches me do this, and I mean, even if I'm just taking like 2 minutes and putting on mascara, she's trying to do it too, and she's only 7, so I really don't want her wearing mascara, obviously, but she does it for play, and she's really good at it, and it kind of scares me. So, okay, so you can see the difference. It just gives you, again, a more finished look. Extends, just opens up your eye. I missed there. And obviously this is taking me longer because I'm talking to you. So yes, Arbonne does not test on any animals. And honestly, these products are so pure and safe. And that's another reason I don't really feel, you know, I'm not too nervous about her using it, even though she's 7 and honestly she shouldn't be putting stuff on. But, you know, little girls like to play, and I don't feel bad that, you know, she's not having her hormones disrupted by all kinds of like crazy chemicals and things that I don't know what they are in the products. So, okay. So I think I'm done that. I'm going to put, I don't really wear lipstick too often, but 2 colors I love just for like day to day. Oh, I just blinked. I felt it. Is Rose is a good color, and Willow. This is Willow. Brinley got to this one and smashed it. So I have other ones downstairs, but Willow is kind of like a good everyday look. And this is Linden lip gloss. I'm just gonna put something. I like shiny over top. And I think that's about it. So really excited to share these eyeshadow palettes with you. And it's not this old black color and it's not messed up like this, but this Starlight Glow palette is pretty awesome too. If you have questions for me, let me know. Oh my God. You're trying to read my lips, Christy. You can watch it later. I'll share it. Hi, Michelle. Oh yeah, I forgot. I did forget one little thing. On the Starlight Glow palette, the highlighter, you can take it and kind of highlight right here. It's, I don't know, I like just give myself like a glowy look. You can kind of see it. It's hard to see in this lighting, but it's really pretty in real life. Anyway, well, I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. So Arbonne is also doing, I don't know if it's, I think it's while supplies last, but it's the buy one, get one of the Apple, it's the Apple protein bars. So if you are someone that likes those, definitely get in on that deal. But I hope you have a fantastic day, and let me know if you have any questions about the color I used, or the colors I used, or anything about this vegan makeup line. So talk to you guys soon. Bye.